how to define the right indicator for your program. Concept 2, Program and Project Lifecycle. This video was shot during the Interact event, Indicators and Data Collection, in Florence on the 2nd and 3rd of March 2017. There are several factors that influence your choices when you are defining the right indicator for your program. In this video, you will hear more about the importance of a sound program and project management for your work with indicators.
Now, the second key concept that's important to hold on to is the notion of the project program life cycle. So this notion that a program or a project has really got these 6 key phases, notions of developing and appraising, which then drive by your program management committees, and in the case of programs, the commission itself, the decision to spend money, spend resource, which then drives here a load of contracting activity, which then drives a load of activity that's happening, which is monitored and managed, which then drives a process of closing or completing projects, which then gets us into this one here, post-completion learning. And that post-completion learning is then squirted back into the project cycle. So we get better and better and better and better. And this is a cycle. It's not a line. This closes back on itself. So the intelligence, the knowledge, the learning that's coming through informs the next project or informs the next program. And monitoring is absolutely crucial here to understand in real time what's happening, and evaluation becomes increasingly important here so we can identify that experience and learning going forward. And so that development and appraising spend decision, it's about making sure we get our objectives and value for money right from the beginning. It's about making sure that the activities we do are arrived at by understanding the options we've got available. It's about minimizing what we put in and maximizing what we get out, which lifts up our value for money. And that's really important, considerations of value for money. And then that block at the bottom, trying to make sure moving as we go into contracting, we're getting a formal decision on all our projects with a clear audit trail. We are in monitoring and closing projects, facilitating the effective use of our resource and allowing for contingencies. And we are at the top using that intelligence and information to feed back on the next round of projects, the next round of programs, better project specification, better program specification. So we're getting better and better as we go around. So that's the second important framework to have in your minds as you're thinking about your projects and your programs, the project cycle.
If you'd like to see more details about the evaluation of Interact programs and projects, please check out the different models Interact produced. In each of the models, you will find various materials such as videos, guidance papers, Q&A documents, links, and other details.